Boom, you made it. You see this building here? This is an old industrial building, and this is one of the types of buildings that we're looking for to partner with you on. This guy purchased this property, the one across the street, the one behind that one, another one behind this one, and another one, all for less than $250,000, plus the freeway is right here. I'm watching a Hobby Lobby truck pass by right now. That's how close the freeway is to us. Those are the type of properties that we're looking for. In this video, I'm going to show you other types of commercial real estate properties that we would love to partner with you on. Also, here are the simple instructions. The property needs to be off market. And our definition of off market is if I Google the address, it doesn't come up for sale anywhere on the internet. You need to be dealing directly with the owner, not your partner. You need to be dealing directly with the owner. Okay, then you'll submit the deal, and how you submit it, you simply text CRE to the number on the screen, which is 205-964-5243. We'll take a look at the property. Once you submit it, we'll reach back out to you whether it's a deal or not, to let you know if it is a deal or if it's not a deal and what you need to do to correct it. So stick around to see the other types of properties we would love to partner with you on today. Okay, so the big box vacant stores, normally like a former Kmart, sometimes a former Walmart, but these are easy to spot. This is not a standalone. It is attached to an additional retail strip. I think it's all by the same owner. Ideally, this probably wouldn't fit because you have thriving businesses in part of it, so you probably won't want to sell this part of it, but you never know. So, but definitely these are easier to spot. Normally they're in pretty decent areas, so you definitely want to keep these on the radar also. Okay guys, now this is priority one. There used to be a building there and it sits on about 2 acres. But it's right off the freeway, if you'll notice, right off a freeway exit. Now, the lot size is more important than the actual building itself. In most cases, you prefer a building had been there because the lot would have been paved. So right off a freeway exit, you see an old building or something that comes with, a couple of acres. Those should be on your radar, priority one. Okay, now this is a completely vacant retail shopping center. Now, this is a unique because it's not in that bad of an area. This is a C area. And so this particular property you definitely want to put on your radar if you see one like this. This property is going up for auction, so missed the opportunity on this when I thought about it. But I knew it was struggling, and it's been struggling for years. So you definitely want to put these on the radar. Again, the area matters. The area matters. So even if they're half vacant, those will be in play also if it's obviously half vacant. So put this on the radar. Okay, so with this property, it's a former restaurant. And the reason you're targeting this is it's a huge lot. Also, what needs to be in play, you see how busy it is across the street as far as the traffic. Also, it needs to be off a freeway exit. So right off the exit, like just right there off the exit would be ideal. Okay guys, now these are a real target. Now this particular property is vacant and it's large. These would definitely be in play also. Again, it still boils down to location. So put these on the radar also. These are abandoned industrial buildings. Okay, with this property, nearly vacant. I think it does have a daycare and a barbershop in it, but you can see it's a huge property. The lot is enormous, so it's really a land play, but it's good because it's already paved. So a lot of different things can be used. It can be used for. So definitely, if you see these, we want those in play. You see, it's not in really bad condition or whatever, so it has been taken care of, but it's vacant, nearly vacant. So definitely these. Okay, with this now we have the multiple doors. You can see it's a former quick lube place. It is for sale, so we wouldn't be interested in this, but 3 doors is good. Ideally we want more doors than that, but 3 doors would work. It is on a very busy street. So these will be in play also. Again, the location matters. All right. And of course, the old multifamily vacant building, those are easy to spot. Doesn't have to be vacant. You just may know of a great opportunity. Still needs to be off market. You're dealing directly with the owner. So you can submit your deals by simply texting CRE to 205-964-5243. We're also interested in self-storage if you have a lead on those. And I'll see you on the flip side.
Text me and I'll text you back. Text me and I'll text you back. Text me and I'll text you back. You text me then I'll text you back. You text me then I'll text you back. TikTok, you don't stop. I will help you make your paper stack. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at now? 205-964-5243. Now you know. 205-964-5243. Now you know.